Hey guys, it's me, Dutch Lockpicker, and today we got here a Corbin. It's a nice biting. It has some spools and standback pins. Won't be super hard, but sometimes they just shine. Let's go for pin number 2. Four, nothing, 5, nothing. Just check for the binding pin. Got some little click. Got something here. Now we got a full set. Going back to the front, checking if you need something to pick there. Still feel set. Got some count rotation on 4. 4 set. 5 still needs to be set. Rotation 5, and we got them open. So this was the Corbin aero cylinder. I hope you like it, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye bye.